Let's have a look at selecting different social media channels for your posts. Before we jump in, I would like to highlight that there are social media channel limitations per account, depending on which membership you have. That said, selecting a social media channel in the manual caption mode would be the first thing that you do, where you simply select the social media channels that you want to be posting to, write your captions, and then continue as usual. In the guided post flow, on the other hand, it comes a bit later down the line, right after you've selected your audiences, where then you simply thereafter select your social media channels. Do note that every social media channel has its own best practices. There are different audience groups on the variety of social media channels which are out there, and they expect a different kind of value on that specific social media channel. Hence, you might want to be delivering the same message. However, you do need to use a different sense and tone. When creating posts, keep in mind that also there are different platform limitations per social media channel. Just to give you a couple of examples, you must add a media file to your Instagram post, which can be multiple images or a video, whereas for Facebook and LinkedIn, this is not necessary. But worry not, all of these limitations are directly within VirtusNova, so you don't need to have them at the top of your mind. The most important aspect for you is that VirtusNova does the heavy lifting for you. So here within the guided post creation, for example, we can go ahead and select an idea real quick, generate a caption based off of that, and then right away get platform-specific captions based on the audience selection. So here you'll be able to see that the phrasing from our Facebook caption is a lot different than the one that we have on LinkedIn, and yet again, a lot different than the one which we have on Instagram. Another differentiation is the preview of it all. So what do the posts actually look like? Let me go ahead and insert a couple images over here, just some dummy images at this point in time, attach the media, and then we'll be able to see that here we might want to have the first image that actually gives the tone in terms of which orientation you want to have for the image. Whereas you will see that the preview looks a lot different from Instagram to LinkedIn to Facebook. All of this is directly encompassed within VirtusNova, so you see all the limitations. For example, here, if I were to remove all the images, we see clearly that we need to at least attach one image or video.